Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today is finally time for me to give you all of the details about how to take part in the Hearts and Diamonds event, which is hashtag DP Hearts and Diamonds 23. I'll put that on the screen now for you. So, ways to enter this diamond painting event. You must be subscribed to this channel. And I would definitely recommend that you hit that notification bell so that you are told whenever I'm going live or uploading any information. There will be a thread on the Crafty Coven group on Facebook, and that is where I am asking everybody to come and add their start photos. So a picture of your canvas, not started, can be kitted up, but just so that I know who is entering and what they're doing. If for any reason you don't or can't have Facebook, you can email me. My email address is always down in the description as well, but it is thecraftywitch@gmail.com. So pop your pictures in the Facebook group. There'll be a thread there for you to add to, and then throughout the weeks you can share progress as you wish on all platforms using the hashtag. Then each Wednesday in February I will be doing a live stream and giving out prizes using a wheel picker app. So there will be prizes each week. There are multiple prizes each week. So I am incredibly grateful to our sponsors for the event. Sponsors include Pencil Surprises, Crafted Makes, Spell Queen, Prism, and Diamond Art Club. Potentially there may be a couple more sponsors coming in, but those are the ones that I have confirmed for now. So we're incredibly grateful and very lucky to have them on board. Thank you to everybody who has offered to support this event. It means the absolute world. So, as I say, this goes through all of February. Each Wednesday there will be a prize giving during the live, as I said, and then in the final week I will be asking everybody to add another picture into the Crafty Coven group so that I can see that you've made progress. You do not have to have completed your picture, but I would like to see progress, and it is those entries where you have posted initially to say you're joining the event, and also into the final week with progress, you will be eligible for the grand prize, which will be given out on the 1st of March. So the event runs throughout the whole of February. I am doing an event launch live on the 1st of February. So it's well worth coming and taking part in that. Come find out who else is taking part, get involved in the chat, share ideas, share your canvases, and that is the point at which you can start. You can start from the 1st, whenever that occurs in your time zone, because this is a worldwide event. Then week 1 prize is on the 8th, week 2 is the 15th, week 3 is the 22nd, and then, as I say, the grand prize will be given out on the 1st of March. So, what is the theme? Obviously, hearts and diamonds. So diamonds as in diamond painting, hearts, love, romance, relationships, dating. You can interpret this any way you like. If your biggest love is a pet, fine. There are some gorgeous puppies in cups type pictures that I've seen that would definitely work. A lot of diamond painting companies already have sections on their websites that are dedicated to Valentines type pictures. I will put some examples up that I think could work really well. I have said that it needs to be 30 by 40 or bigger. However, the caveat here is that if you are completing the Paint Gem Minis, because I know they have a love set, and people have already told me that they would like to submit those as their entry. Those collectively are more than 30 by 40, so that's completely fine, even though the individual canvases are smaller. So yeah, total area 30 by 40 or bigger. As I say, theme, hearts, love, romance, relationships, dating, etc. I'm not going to limit you to certain companies. And yeah, I just need to see, in order to qualify for the grand prize, we need to have seen progress between week 1 and week 4. So I think that's probably everything. If you do have questions, please do leave them down in the comments. I will reply to everybody as soon as possible. Obviously, you can always come chat to me on the socials. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook as the Crafty Witch UK, and of course everybody is being invited to join the Crafty Coven group on Facebook, where we will be holding lots of event-based discussions. So all that being said, I cannot wait for this to start. I've been super excited about the potential for this event since I decided to do it way back in, I don't know, the middle of last year somewhere. I really hope that everybody enjoys taking part. And yeah, if you've got any questions, suggestions or queries, please do get in touch. I am here to make this fun for you. So thank you very much for watching this little information video. I hope that it's given you all the info that you need. Please consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!